everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide games from your library on your Xbox One. So to do this, press the Xbox button, go to My Games and Apps, and then we can go to See All right here. Then we can go to Games, and then go to the right, and we can press the button with the 3 lines on it. And if you're trying to hide a game that's currently installed on your Xbox One, you won't be able to do that. You will have to uninstall and delete it first. And then you want to go on down to where it says Full Library, right here. Then go to the right. Now you can hide specific games in here. So some of these games are really old. So this one is an Xbox 360 game, Castlevania. I can press the button with 3 lines on it. Now I can go to Hide from List. Now sometimes you might have some betas or something in here that you don't want to see anymore. But you can always unhide it by going to Full Library, All Owned Games, and then choose Hidden from all the game sections. So let's go to Hide. So that is removed now and I don't see it. So if you have any kind of like betas or demos or trials, so here's PUBG demo, let's hide this from this list. Now if we scroll on up to the top to sort, we have an option to see the hidden games right here. And we can easily unhide them from this list. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.